Oh, good afternoon. I'm Fernando Flores, and I had Rox Roofing Company come over to inspect my roof because I had hail damage. Well, I thought I had hail damage, and sure enough, I did. And they came in, they looked at it, they gave me an estimate. They got the adjuster to come in, and the insurance adjuster to come in and look at the roof. It was approved. The company comes in, and almost seems like overnight they had the roof up. In fact, they did my house, and next door I own a duplex, and that also had hail damage. So they did my duplex in one day. My house, which is pretty large, they did the roofing in a day and a half, and they included the barrier to make sure that I eliminate a lot of the heat that comes into the attic. So they did it very fast, very efficient, and very clean. I never saw a mess. So by the time they left, in a day and a half, everything was like they had never been there. So I was really satisfied with the job, with the quality of work, and how professional everybody was.